टीम आज हमारा हेडमास्टर की तैयारी के हवाले से एक एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी एंड गाइडेंस का दूसरा लेक्चर है। इंटरेस्ट्स, एटीट्यूड्स, एप्रिसिएशन, स्किल्स एंड अचीवमेंट आर प्राइमरीली द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. The ability to think in novel and unusual ways is called creativity, which is a basic emotion. Fear. Paige presented the theory of cognitive development. Model of 8 types of learning was designed by Gagne. The process of adaptation in Paigean cognitive development theory is assimilation and accommodation. The process of helping individual make life adjustment at home, school, and other phases of life is called guidance. Hierarchy of needs was presented by Maslow. At what stage of cognitive development, Paigean, the child develops object permanence, concrete, operational. The pioneer of identifying individual difference was Francis Galton. The learning method that is associated with observing the behavior of others is called learning by imitation, which is the basic emotion, love. Who was the first psychologist? Aristotle. Founder of socio-psychological development was Erikson, which is not the type of memory, short-term memory. Perception and attention play major role in long-term memory. Logical thinking, according to Jean Piaget, starts at the stage of concrete operation. Experiments on learning by insight were performed by Kohler. Translation of concrete experiences, development of logical thinking are given by Piaget. Theory of self-actualization and sense of identity was presented by Maslow. Semantic memory is memory of meaning. Which school of thought Sigmund Freud belongs to? Psychoanalysis. Trial and error theory was presented by Thorndike. Pavlov's work was with dogs. Learning by insight theory is also called as Gestalt. Stimulus plays a dominant role according to classical conditioning. Response plays a dominant role according to operant conditioning. Cognitive learning theory was presented by Skinner. Projective techniques are used to measure personality. Cause of frustration is forces all of these. In pre-approaching stage, child learns rapidly. Language ability of various both of these.